There are a collection of formulas you can use when you have a problem that asks a question that has something to do with constant acceleration. Now, quite often, the constant acceleration it's talking about is gravity. And in a lot of circumstances, we can round gravity off to have an acceleration of 10 meters per second squared, although it's actually closer to about 9.8. Remembering that gravity often works downwards, as you would expect, quite often you would expect, therefore, that an acceleration of an object that's going up would be negative 10 meters per second squared. The way to use these formulas is pretty much what I would call a plug and play routine. When you're given information in a question, you can highlight what information you're given and then basically see which formula might be the best. For example, if you have the formula V equals U plus AT, you might be told something along the lines of, there is an object which has a final velocity of something, and it's falling because of gravity, and it falls for, so there's my gravity, and it falls for 7 seconds. What was its initial velocity? And basically by ticking and crossing through each of the letters in our 4 main formulas, we can work out which formula is the best one to use and how to solve the problem using it. And it really is a case of mixing and matching. Almost in every circumstance, you'll be able to find the solution in one go. But occasionally, you might need to use one formula to find one of the missing numbers, and then use a second formula to find your answer. I highly recommend remembering these 4 formulas and making sure you do commit them to memory. You'll be expected to know them in specialist maths, but you'll also be expected to know them in physics if you study physics as well. So it's a little bit of brain space for a lot of information that'll help you solve a huge number of questions. If you found this or any of my other videos helpful, please subscribe to my channel or like the video. Thanks.